Well, welcome back to the channel. We're checking out our Grayscale and crypto today. This evening, Sunday evening. Let's see what's in flavor for tomorrow morning, Monday. All of a sudden, it just seems that let's check out our crypto market. Bitcoin is back to it's kind of lost that spike that we had here. Um, we were looking like we were going to move up last week, going up, but the markets are scared. What can I say? Something new, tariffs, and I think tariffs really upsetting a lot of people. Check this out. Even gold is down to 3,009 now. It's I don't know, about 2% down. So everybody's kind of like really scared at the moment, and especially the swing traders, the mid traders, the scalpers, I should say. They've left the market, so obviously that's why this just kind of drops quite a bit. Everything's all of a sudden. We were like 83,000 on Bitcoin, and now we're down to 78,800, and probably going down even more a little overnight. Then again, you never know what's going to happen tomorrow morning. Everything's a wreck. The last week, oh my gosh, Litecoin down 16%, Bitcoin Cash down 8% in the last week. Monero at 8%. A bunch of other ones, 16%. Hedera, HBAR, Toncoin. It was going up quite a bit, but it's dropping. When they go up, they come down. Ethereum is down 11. It's down to 1,500. Wow, guys, this is for a number 2 coin. The altcoins are really taking it in the behind. Even XRP 8%. Solana down 13%. So all just about all the gains that we've accomplished over the years, pretty much lost now. And what's next? What do we do? What does one do? I still have about $7,000 in my margin, which I'm glad that I sold Friday. Some of it just to play, just in case it keeps going down. I don't have I don't have a mad rush to sell at the last minute. It's kind of like if you're ever caught in a margin, you have to recognize that the markets have changed. It's not green anymore. When the markets are green, you can buy poop. You can buy Dog Poop Corporation, and it's going to go up. It's green is when you have a bull market. Green is green, and whatever you touch, that's why I bought some of those options like MicroStrategy and Nvidia. Although the Nvidia is not doing too good right now, I still have about a year and a half, I think, on that one. But, that's why I bought it without buying a protective put. Thinking back, I should have bought something as protection for the whole portfolio. You can buy a protective put for everything that you have, especially when you've reached you have had a pretty good bull run for the last. It's gone up pretty nicely for the last 2 years or so. It's been doing really good, and I'm talking about stock market. Of course, Bitcoin, you really can't buy puts on it unless you get into some Grayscale material. Then you can buy some protective puts. What I'm doing is tomorrow morning, I'm probably, if the markets are down and it appears like about 10 o'clock, maybe 11 o'clock in the morning, if things don't look that great, they're probably not going to rebound very fast. But then again, who knows? They may. If they rebound, I'll wait a few days and then I'll start buying that Nvidia back. That's how that's how you can do it. You dollar cost up if it's going up nice and green again. We might be going sideways. So it's a waiting call, just waiting. But tomorrow morning, I'm probably gonna, if the market continues going down, I'll get rid of that Nvidia, the last of the Nvidia, and buy it back if it starts going up. So basically, I didn't lose anything. I'm not losing anything on the Nvidia, but I'm just playing it safe. I don't want to get caught in a flash dive in the market and have to sell, or it's sold for me by force when everything is at the bottom. Because usually that's what happens. They call you out, and it's like, or if they sell your stocks, they don't care if your stock is going up or down. They just sell whatever they can get their hands on. So that's how margin works. So stay away from it. Stay away from it and don't play in the streets. But as far as our Grayscale stuff, last Friday the markets were going south, but the Grayscales kind of moved up a little bit. Is that trend going to continue tomorrow? It's going to be interesting. If it doesn't, we're safe. I'm just waiting. I just let these things happen, until things are sorted out, everything is settled, the dust settles. Then I'll see where my position is. But one thing you never want to do is you don't want to act on a mad market, when people are jumping out the windows, committing suicide or whatever. You don't want to get in and do something. This is one of those times the market's going down. Well, I'll wait a year, 2, 3 years, whatever. As far as Grayscale is concerned, as far as I'm concerned, I think, and this is what I'm doing and what I'm going to do, and not what you have to do. If you want to do what I'm doing, that's up to you. No financial advice, of course, guys. If I see that the market on Grayscales, if it continues going up, we still have, like I said, probably about another year to a year and a half for this cycle, perhaps. Then again, it's crypto, and you never know. It might be that Bitcoin just dives tomorrow, and the altcoins take off. They take off next month, next week, next year, 2 years from now, when we're in a winter, and all of a sudden the altcoins take off. Usually Bitcoin goes up first, but then again, you never know. It's one of those things, and to me, things look good. A lot of money has left the cryptocurrency. The natives, from what I've seen, we're down to almost like 2 trillion on the whole market. Bitcoin too. It's dropped quite a bit since a few months ago. So it might be one of those things that you just go ride a bike and do your hobbies or do whatever you want to do and come back several months later, because it's gonna take a while for things to go back up. Then again, you never know. It's one of those things, you never know, guys. So hang in there, hang in there. I still have a lot of faith in Grayscale and cryptocurrency, and that's why I'm battling it out, trying to I'm not selling any of it. I'm not selling my crypto. I'm not selling the Grayscale. I am selling Nvidia, which is a stock which is not which I don't care too much about, but I do care if I have to sell the Grayscale stuff. You know, I don't want to touch that. That's my one-way ticket. Okay, guys, have a good rest of the weekend, and tomorrow morning we'll see what's going on. Have a good night.